Are you absolutely kidding me right now? I mean, come on, man. How cool do these fucking posters look? They look awesome. If I was Gabrielle Luna, knowing I was going to look this cool, I'd be like, oh my God, I can't believe. I won't be able to believe I'm in the sequel anyway, but Jesus Christ, these look good. Yeah, they look good. This is good. And it's good for the fact that it is good. When we get good, let's praise the good. Let's not be the negative fucking idiots that just drag shit down. Yes, I've had a pop at fucking channels today, but so what? I've had a pop because you deserved it. Chew on it. This shit looks good.